last weekend in Long Beach, there was protests and riots in the streets, and a lot of stores were getting looted for a lot of their stuff. Just to remind y'all, we have a bunch of frames in stock and online, so be sure to check out goldendaysbikecode.com. Hit us up in the store, support what we have going on here, what we're building. Buy yourself a frame from the website, you know what I mean? Like, show some love. We are about to build Tristan's new bike up. We're at the shop with everybody, doing all the bike shop things, fixing bikes, playing with the dogs. Right now is like the time where like riots are starting to slow down, so we're actually like putting all the product back on the walls so we can semi get back to normal life right now at the shop. Tristan bought the Ethan Fit frame, the Ethan sleeper. Ethan Corriere. Tristan bought the Ethan sleeper frame from Fit. He's about to build up a new bike. How you feeling about your new bike, Tristan?
I'm hyped, bro. I'm really excited about it. It's dope. It's gonna look fire. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens.
Bar spin's coming soon.
Yep.
Hop 3's coming soon.
Very soon.
What's your opinion on the Ethan Corriere frame?
Oh, you're definitely gonna learn crank arms.
Right, we just watched that boy's edit. Boy, that edit is
Fire.
crazy. Crank arm master. Yo, this bike is already looking fire, y'all. Like,
Already looking crazy.
it's okay.
Already.
Hey, no hate, no place for hate. It's okay. Check out that candy red. Solid,
Yes, sir. Solid.
solid, baby.
Oh man, I'm excited about this one.
Yo, she's
Yes,
fire
sir.
too. Man. What's your initial thoughts on the red frame, and then why'd you go with the red frame?
First of all, it looks fire. But I just wanted to stand out a little bit with the white camo tires. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Hey, how you feel about the shop and all the riots and all the packing up and putting up and all the good stuff?
It's stressful as hell, man. I'm just like doing an inventory on everything we need. But it's still taking a risk, you know, even when we have all these locks, we built the wall, everything like that, it's still a risk even having it out. It's just, we're just losing business from having the boards up, and we're also losing business from not having anything in here. So I'm taking the risk of putting everything back in case customers can see something, but it's also taking a risk also seeing people, looters, that see that we have something that want to get in here. I mean, we're going to take the risk and start doing something, you know. But the whole situation's crazy, man. The people's voice need to be heard.